What up, YouTube family? Hey, I made that short. Will it run? The video kind of the video kind of stalled out and shit. It's about to die, so I gotta hurry up. Video died out with the views, so I'm gonna show y'all. It does run. Hold on. Well, y'all probably couldn't see it good, but that bitch run and it's loud as hell. Like if motherfuckers running lean or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this for these motherfuckers come outside and start to screaming. 7 o'clock p.m. Smoking. Thing ain't ran all 2 years. And that bitch wanna go. And it wants to go, buddy. So shit, yeah. I wish I had a go-kart to put this on. No, this motherfucker too big. Video coming on this soon. Motherfucker a little too big. That's an 8 horse that I just put on there. I might take this carb off and put that other one on here, because this one is old and janky. So I'm gonna do that. Make a throttle for it. Shade the head. You know, do a little performance shit. This motherfucker should be able to do 40, 45. But I'm really geared for, you know, climbing and shit. So, alright. Deuces.